Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Rent a Central app review to see if it was using. So to get started, in 2025, the Rent a Central app offers a simple way to manage rent to own items like furniture, electronics, and appliances. It lets users make payments, bill agreements, track deliveries, and access special offers all within or without needing a credit check. The app is easy to navigate, and many users appreciate the convenience, same-day ability, and flexible repayment option, especially for those with limited financing choice. That said, the app and service comes with serious trade-offs: high cost, high total cost, persistent market calls, and aggressive repayment terms are frequently complained. Users also report app glitches and poor customer support depending on the store. And here is the final intake on the app. The Rent a Central app works if you want a quick, no credit need access to essentials, but be cautioned, long-term costs can far exceed retail price, and service quality may vary widely, depends on geographical location. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.